This is the 5th one on this series. This is what? Mega Construx Series 11.
We got another sign. Oh, I think I saw in this part in the Minion video before. He was holding this stick. I thought you're supposed to put the word. You guys got the paper one? Oh. How did you put this in the bag? Oh.
You need to figure it out.
Hey. This is not supposed to be on the head. I messed up. We have a robot too. I'm gonna take out.
I cover up the whole camera. Nobody can see us.
But
Oh, is that the small one?
what? If you do it like this, it's the words are upside down.
Yes, go down. But people will see it.
It's still not gonna do. Where's the head? Okay. It's sad.
What is that?
It's not in Minion Land. It's in the people Earth. And then he cannot find Bob and he's sad.
Well, actually, we got a lot of minion before. We got minion eggs. We got a minion cheese. A lot of other minions. I guess it's cheese or what, I forgot. Let me find. I don't know where's the box of minions. We got a whole box of minions somewhere else.
Somewhere else.
So we got so many toys on the backside. Let me see whether I can take it out or the pile of boxes will collapse. I'm trying to figure out where is it.
Yeah, in the bottom. The squishy minion.
Yeah, we got a lot of other minions. Let me try to get that.
My hands are hurting. I don't like it. You help me put this hand on. What is this? I think it's something.
Yeah, actually, we got a whole box of this. There you see? It's all minions.
Oh, this minion has hair. Hey, cameraman. This minion ate hair.
Yeah, that's good.
Now he has hair.
Oh, we see an intruder. An intruder is coming.
Hey, get out of here. I'm going to cut you.
Ah! We have always got intruders.
Why?
I
There's
don't know.
somebody going in my house.
Intruders. You like them? Or you
No,
don't
I
like them?
hate them. I hate intruders. Go down? Did they say go down?
No.
Okay. So, bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Sorry, that's not what I'm supposed to say. Let's go to the next video. Woo!